Welcome back to Deluxe Motorsports. Today we're looking at a 2014 Dodge Ram 3500 Tradesman. This thing has a dope blue color on it. It's called Bahama blue. It's a pretty rare color. You don't see too many Dodges in this color. It's got a 6-inch all-around suspension. Look at that. Sitting on some 24x14, some big old rims. Wrapped in 38 Nittos, some really good tires. This truck is super clean. Got the tinted tail lights, tinted third brake light. Got tint all around it. All the windows are tinted. Front's not super tinted. Pretty sure it's all legal tint. Take a look at it. Look at these headlights. Got the blue housings, color match. Nice aftermarket grille. This truck is built super clean. Super clean truck. Got the cloth interiors. Got the rubber floor mats. Inside's really clean. Some Husky liner floor mats all around the back. This truck is very nice. I love the color of this truck. Got a rugged liner, bed liner in there. A very sweet truck. I know some people always asking for the startups in this video. We'll give you a nice startup on this one. Got 86,000 miles on it, still a really low mile truck. Got some exhaust work on it. Does sound really nice. Come on into Deluxe Motorsports and check her out. Super clean, won't be here for long.